Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to activate your Ally credit card. So first of all, you should go to their page right here, which is the card.ally.com/activate. You can just type on that and it will prompt you to this page right here. With this website, you can activate your new card. So just provide your details and follow the prompts right here. To provide your last name, your date of birth, the last four digits of your SSN, a 16-digit credit card, and the card expiration date. And with that, you can now activate your Ally credit card. So if you have any inquiries and questions, you can just contact their page via this icon right here, which will provide you their contact details and address. That's all.